Welcome back to my channel Luxury Drive Car, the 2025 Toyota MR2. It's clear that Toyota hasn't just revived the legend, they've completely redefined it for the modern age. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at everything the new MR2 has to offer, from its design and performance to the tech and driving experience that makes this car a true standout. Starting with the overall philosophy of the new MR2, Toyota has gone back to its roots while embracing the future. The MR2 has always been known for being lightweight, nimble, and accessible, and this 2025 version is no exception. Yet, it brings advanced hybrid technology and cutting-edge engineering into the mix to meet modern demands for efficiency, sustainability, and performance. This isn't just a car for the purists, so this is a car for a new generation of driving enthusiasts. Let's talk about the design. One look at the 2025 MR2, and you know it's a sports car. It's low-slung, with sharp, aggressive lines and aerodynamic sculpting that commands attention. The front fascia features sleek LED headlights that flow seamlessly into the hood, creating a bold and confident stance. The wide air intakes on the bumper are not just for show, they actively channel air to cool the high-performance hybrid powertrain. On the sides, the MR2's profile is pure perfection. Its low roofline, short overhangs, and mid-engine layout give it proportions that are both purposeful and beautiful. The 19-inch forged alloy wheels are lightweight and wrapped in performance tires, giving the MR2 an aggressive and track-ready stance. The rear design is just as stunning, with a prominent diffuser, slim LED taillights, and a subtle ducktail spoiler that enhances downforce without disrupting the clean lines of the car. What's truly impressive is how Toyota has managed to balance aerodynamics and aesthetics. Every curve, vent, and line on the MR2 serves a purpose. It's designed to cut through the air with minimal resistance, while still looking like a piece of automotive art. The result is a car that turns heads whether it's parked in your driveway or tearing up a racetrack. But the design is just the beginning. Let's dive into the heart of the 2025 MR2, its powertrain. Under the hood, or rather, behind the seat, so is where the magic happens. The MR2 is powered by a 1.6-liter, 3-cylinder turbocharged engine paired with an electric motor. This hybrid setup produces a combined output of 300 horsepower and 310 pounds-to-feet of torque. While those numbers might not sound overwhelming at first glance, it's important to remember that the MR2 weighs just under 2,800 pounds. Making it incredibly light by modern sports car standards. The hybrid system is designed not only for performance but also for efficiency. The electric motor provides instant torque, giving the MR2 sharp acceleration off the line, while the turbocharged engine delivers power at higher speeds. The result is a 0-60 time of just 4.5 seconds and a top speed of 160 miles per hour. Yet, despite its performance capabilities, the MR2 is surprisingly fuel efficient, offering an impressive 40 miles per gallon in combined driving. One of the most exciting aspects of the MR2's powertrain is the way it delivers power. Toyota has tuned the system to provide linear and predictable throttle response, making it easy for drivers to modulate power through corners. The electric motor also provides regenerative braking, which not only improves efficiency but also enhances braking performance. Speaking of handling, the 2025 MR2 is an absolute joy to drive. The car features a fully independent suspension system with double wishbones at the front and rear. This setup, combined with the car's mid-engine layout and perfect weight distribution, gives the MR2 exceptional balance and agility. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or pushing the limits on a racetrack, the MR2 feels planted, responsive, and alive. The steering is another highlight of the driving experience. Toyota has equipped the MR2 with an electrically assisted rack and pinion steering system that delivers precise feedback and a natural, connected feel. The steering is light enough for everyday use but provides plenty of weight and feedback when you're driving spiritedly. Another key feature that enhances the driving experience is the MR2's advanced traction and stability control systems. While some purists might prefer a completely analog experience, Toyota has struck a perfect balance by allowing the systems to intervene only when absolutely necessary. There's also a dedicated track mode that loosens the reins, giving drivers more freedom to explore the car's limits. Inside, the 2025 MR2 is just as impressive as it is on the outside. The cabin is designed with the driver in mind, featuring a minimalist layout that puts all the controls within easy reach. The seats are lightweight and supportive, offering excellent lateral support during spirited driving while remaining comfortable for long journeys. High-quality materials, such as Alcantara and brushed aluminium, are used throughout the cabin, giving it a premium feel. One of the standout features of the MR2's interior is the digital cockpit. The driver gets a fully customizable 10-inch digital instrument cluster that displays everything from speed and RPM to lap times and G-forces. There's also an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and wireless charging. While the focus of the MR2 is undoubtedly on driving, Toyota hasn't skimped on technology and connectivity. Another impressive aspect of the interior is the use of space. Despite its compact size, the MR2 offers a surprising amount of storage, with a small front trunk and additional storage behind the seats. This makes it practical enough for weekend getaways or daily driving, which is not something you can say about every sports car in this segment. Safety is another area where the 2025 MR2 shines. Toyota has equipped the car with a suite of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. These features not only make the MR2 safer but also more enjoyable to drive on long trips or in traffic. Now, let's talk about pricing. One of the most remarkable things about the 2025 MR2 is its affordability. Starting at just $45,000, it's one of the most accessible mid-engine sports cars on the market. Considering the level of performance, technology, and craftsmanship on offer, the MR2 is an incredible value for money. Of course, Toyota also offers a range of optional packages and upgrades for those who want to take their MR2 to the next level. These include a track package with upgraded brakes and suspension, a carbon fiber package that reduces weight and adds visual flair, and even a premium audio system for those who want a better sound experience. But perhaps the most compelling thing about the 2025 Toyota MR2 is what it represents. In an era where sports cars are becoming increasingly rare, and driving excitement is often overshadowed by technology and regulation, the MR2 is a breath of fresh air. It's a car that prioritizes the joy of driving above all else, while still embracing the advancements that make modern cars safer, more efficient, and more capable. For